In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on battery. Now scroll down again, choose more settings and tap on performance mode. Then choose high performance mode by clicking on it and tap on turn on in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, higher performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, you need to choose any other one, like smart or no performance improvement. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!